The backbone on this thing, as you can see up here, is solid. So that's around 20, it's about 20 millimeters thick steel. So it's really well built, well designed. The pins and bushes are 50 Rockwell pins. 60 Rockwell pins with 50 Rockwell bushes. So very, very, very solid. The other thing with this machine, and this is the brains here, this is the electric motor, so there's no cables, chains, sprockets, shafts, any of that stuff. It's all electric drive. So it's very simple. Your cables come in from your brain up the front, and these are all connected in series across the machine. So what this, I'll just take this off here, that's the seating unit there. That will have a plate. We've got seating discs to go on there, but that's your actual metering unit. So that whatever disc you use, you just put that disc on there, put it back in, and then you go up into the cab. These are compatible with ISO tractors.